Welcome to our channel. Today, we invite you to explore the wonderful world of drawing and unleash your creativity through doodling. Drawing is more than just putting pen to paper, it's a form of expression, a way to communicate ideas, and a means to tap into your imagination. Doodling, often seen as a simple act, can actually be a powerful tool to boost your creativity. It allows your mind to wander and gives you the freedom to let your thoughts flow onto the page. When you doodle, you're not worried about creating a masterpiece. Instead, you're letting your mind relax, finding peace in the strokes of your pen. And guess what? This relaxation actually helps you focus and improves your concentration. Doodling is not limited to any artistic skill level. Anyone can do it. Whether you're an expert artist or just starting out, doodling gives you the opportunity to experiment, make mistakes, and learn along the way. So, grab your favorite pen or pencil and start doodling. Let your imagination run wild and see where it takes you. Don't worry about the outcome, embrace the journey of creating and discovering. It's amazing how simple lines and shapes can unlock a world of creativity within you. So, take a moment out of your busy day and embrace the art of doodling. You'll be surprised at what you can create and how it can inspire you in other aspects of your life. Remember, the beauty of doodling is not in the end result but in the process itself. Give yourself permission to explore, have fun, and let your creative spirit shine. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed exploring the art of doodling, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more creative inspiration. See you next time.